When the election comes, we are so busy with the politicians. We run behind the politicians. Why not? Politicians are here and Deuri. Ami gamusa loyal, ami khotkosu, but this is all slave mentality. From today, from international indigenous people there, I promise in the name of God, HPC এনেকুৱা নহয়, HPC এটা কাম কৰিবলৈ গৈছে, আমাৰ অধিকাৰটো আমি সকলোকে অৱগত কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো। That is, first, আপোনালোকক মই তাৰ আগতে শুনি all tribal? Are you all tribal? Are you all tribal? Thank you. This is the Bible. This is the Quran. This is the Ramayana. This is a law which is enacted, made by the Parliament. Parliament is the one of the highest lawmaker in India. Why not? Parliament law, American law bonaise. A law to namto hoyo. Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention Atrocity Act 1989 pass hoise. এই act বহুত কিনি provision আছে। এই provision কিনি Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Atrocity Act a law to entire Indian implement হৈ আছে। But in Assam, Jani Buji, deliberately, with maligned intention, Assam government is not creating any awareness about this right. Very unfortunate, why not? And act to awareness koribar kane, there is a provision to create awareness, to sensitize the police department particularly. Whereas Assam Chief Minister Sadi khabor karone, birthday khabor kane, flight of jabor kane, yono toka ase. Hosa misa motorcycle kinibole toka ase. Hosa misa eto orgoi asoni toka dibole poisa ase. Hoine noy? Kintu awareness koribor karone Assam government toka nai. Therefore, this time we will tell you, we are no more yes men. And I'll come back to what is yes men theory. So this is the important Bible. This is the vital document. This is the law. Why the Assam government, why the ruling government, they are not implementing? Before the election, তেখেতসকলে কৈছিলে আমাক ভোট দিয়ক, আমি আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে কাম কৰিম। আমাৰ কাম কৰিলে নেকি? কৰা নাই। আজি ৰেগমাই সকলক ৰিকগনাইজ নকৰিলে, আজি কুকি সকলক মানিপুৰত খাদ্য হৈ আছে, আমাৰ ককাই বাগ মাৰি আছে, এটা জনজাতি সংগঠনে মাত মাতা নাই, এক্সেপ্ট এছপিচেল। ইনজাষ্টিস হয়নে নহয়? অসম চৰকাৰ হেমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাই কৈছে যে মানিপুৰত একো হোৱা নাই। আৰে বা ইমান মানিপুৰত আমাৰ কুকি বাই মৰিলে, ছোৱালী লেংটা কৰি মাৰিলে, পেৰেড কৰিলে, জ্বলাই দিলে, ঘৰ জ্বলালে, গাড়ী জ্বলালে, তাত অসম চৰকাৰৰ চকু নাই। সেইকাৰণে we must file a case against the Manipur government, against the Assam government with the help of this act. এই actক দুটা বস্তু মেনশন কৰি থোৱা আছে। The victim should be always a scheduled tribe or scheduled caste, and the accused should be always a non-tribal. আৰু সেই এক্টটো লৈ পেলাই আমি ফ্ৰড আৰু আসাম গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে জানি বুজি awareness create কৰা নাই, বিকজ আমি awareness হলে বহুতখিনি নন ট্ৰাইবেল অফিচাৰে জেলত যাব। আৰু আমি এইটো এডভান্টেজটো কেনেকৈ ল'ম আপোনালোকক মই কৈ দিছোঁ যে আপুনি বেমাৰ হ'লে ক'ত যাব? when you are falling in it, you go to hospital, হয় না? and ডক্টৰে প্ৰেছক্ৰাইব কৰে, হয় না? ডক্টৰে ক'ব আপোনাৰ এক্সৰে কৰিব লাগে, আপোনাৰ সুগাৰ টেষ্ট কৰিব লাগিব, আপোনাৰ ইউৰিন টেষ্ট কৰিব লাগিব, এনেকৈ কয় নে নকয়? Same thing, when you have any problem, when there is any criminal activities against you, যেতিয়া হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে first and foremost your duty is to approach police station and lodge a FIR. আৰু অসমৰ চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰে ruling government বিজেপি চৰকাৰে কি কয়? FIR নালাগে। No, without FIR you will not get justice. FIR is the foundation of the case. আৰু FIR কেতিয়া কৰিবলৈ যাওঁতে আমি FIR কৰিবলৈ যাওঁতে important section IPC Indian Penal Code বুলি কয়, পুলিচ অফিচাৰে জানি বুজি FIR ত ইনচাৰ্ট নকৰে, and there I am deprived of my right to life and justice. That is why today the International Indigenous People Day is important to give you the message that our rights should not be violated by anybody. And for that I have come here to convey the message, we are tribal, we have every right to fight against those injustice. Therefore, আমি থানাত গলে মানে আমি এই একটার কথাটো কেতিয়াও নেলেখো. We never mention in the FIR. When you write your story, when you write your grievance in your FIR, please mention that atrocity provision should be also added in the FIR, so that the accused, the perpetrator will not get bail. In this case, in this provision, here bail provision 9. He bail napai. Accused on a non-tribal dwell. আৰু আমাৰ ল'ৰাবিলাকক ফেক কাউণ্টাৰ কৰি পাইছে, ৰং কেছ, ফলছ কেছ দিছে. আজিলৈকে কোনো এটা ট্ৰাইবেল জেগাত কোনো মানুহে কেছ কৰা নাই এক্সেপ্ট ৰাজু দেউৰী সদায় ফাইট কৰি আছে. That also our the prominent J.K. Khattar sir সদায় মোক আশীৰ্বাদ দিয়াৰ কাৰণে মই অলপ সাহস পাই পেলাই আমি আগবাঢ়িছোঁ জয়নি. That is why sir, I am always grateful to our J.K. Khattar sir. So government is a Deuri court as a IB bully college, I will like.
Yes, sir.
So, a atrocity act I mean compensation pie. Yet DSP, IO hoy, time limited hoy. Kele aru eta kotha koi disu importance to yate. That charge sheet to do mahote bonabo lage. Charge sheet should be framed and submitted before the court as per this atrocity provision within 2 months. Hey, within 2 months of the charge sheet of the dakhil kore court, if it is presented in the court, then the trial will start immediately and the accused will be punished accordingly. Now, when the Atrocity Act is not incorporated in the FIR or the air provision, nathake, police poisar khai pelai. Irresponsible police officer he correct, yoti delay kori pelai, culprit mane 60 days. That time at a bound as 60 days, 90 days, depend upon the case to case, they you will be loy kusi jai. And I am deprived of justice. So from today, we will be not deprived of our justice. What do you say, sir? Na? Amutlan, sir? Or not?
Fine.
Hey, Kane, are we here special court as not Goyram judge will do. PP also, special PP is here. আৰু ছোৱালী যদি ৰেপ হয় তেখেত কম্পেনসেশন পাব 8,25,000. বেস্ট এক্সাম্পল দি দিম আপোনালোকক. আমাৰ শৰ্মিলা ৰমহাংকি যে এই ৰহাত যে হৈছিলে ঘটনাটো আমি তাকো মানে দিয়া পইচা দিয়ালো 8,25,000 ছাৰ এইটো পইচা পালে. পেৰেণ্টছ কোনো একো এটা কোৱা নাই. We wrote a complaint. I was the petitioner. ৰংবীৰ ফেমিলিয়ে Sarto বুলি কয় তেখেতৰ দেউতাৰ নাম জয়ন্ত সৰি এইটো কিবা শৰ্মিলাৰ দেউতাকৰ নাম Sarto ৰংহাং চাহাবে ককাইটোৱে সি জীৱনৰ একো এটা অফিচ দেখা নাই কিন্তু আমি কৰি পেলাই পইচাটো দিয়াই দিছোঁ. ৰেপ কৰিলে 8,25,000, মাৰ্ডাৰ হ'লে 8,25,000. When a woman or girl is raped and murdered, he or she will get 16,50,000. This is the compensation. Okay, ইয়াতে আছে. Generally IPC গলে আপুনি compensation টো নেপায়, relief আপুনি নেপায়. ফেক কাউন্টাৰ যেতিয়া কৰি আছে ইমানখিনি কাৰ্বি লৰা, ইমানখিনি ডিমাচা লৰা, ইমানখিনি কুকি লৰা, খাচী লৰা পুলিচে ৰং ফলছ কেছত মাৰি আছে. আজিলৈকে আপোনালোকে পিআই দিয়া নাই. এতিয়া আমি দিব লাগিব. পাৰিবনে নাই? আৰে কুকি ব্ৰাদাৰ পাৰিবনে নাই? Are you understanding what I'm saying? বুজিছে? I am asking you. हमारे लोग तो और हम लोग का जो छोटा भाई हो बड़ा भाई लोग को wrong allegation of fake counter मार रहा है ना असम गवर्नमेंट का पुलिस. Even the Indian army, there are many stories. So that has to be unheard. हम लोग उसके लिए क्या करना है? What we need to do? We must able to fight. To fight what we need to do, we must lodge a FIR against that particular police officer. For example, Sonju Sujai, আজি 2 বছৰ আগতে মাৰিছিলে হাফলঙ সেই কেছটো আমি ৰেজিষ্টাৰ কৰালো. After 6 months case was registered. Assam government এইটো CBI দিলে, CBI আজিলৈকে একো কৰা নাই. Assam government জানি বুজি deliberately tribal মানুহক ন্যায় দিবলৈ নিবিচাৰে. কি কারণে ন্যায় দিব নিবিচাৰে? Why the Assam government try to deprive from the justice to tribal people, to the indigenous people? Because of our leaders. Our leaders are incompetent. They are inefficient. They have the mentality of slave mentality. They are the yes men. I tell you what is a yes man theory. If I ask you, Guru anda je, गाय अंडा देता है क्या? Does the cow lay egg? अरे जोर से बोलो, नो बोलो. नाइस नहीं दे रहा है. गाय अंडा देता है? कभी गाय घास को चाहिए क्लेम करता है? लेकिन हमारा ये बीजेपी नेता एमएलए और जीएम ईएम के लिए cow also can claim free. Cow also lay egg. And because of them, today we are not getting justice. 77 years after independence, we are still not getting the justice in this country, particularly in Karbialong, Dimahasa and Bogolen. So many brothers and sisters have died for us. They have sacrificed their life for us, not for their self-benefit, not for their self-centered, and they have laid down for our better future tomorrow. We must always remember them. We must always cheer them. আমি সদায় ইহঁতক গ্ৰেটফুল থাকিব লাগে না নালাগে কওক? যুদ্ধত লাগে বুলি ভাই লাগে। So atrocity act টো আমাৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আৰু আমি আৱেৰনেছ কৰিব লাগে। অসম চৰকাৰে জানি বুজি এইটো কাৰণে আমি প্ৰেছাৰ দিব লাগে আৰু কাউন্সিল বিলাকতো মিছামিছি ৰাস্তা ফুদলিৰ নামত টকা পইচা লুটি পোৱাটো আমাৰ মাটিত যেনেকৈ চলাৰ আনিছে সেইটো ইলিগেলি যদি ডিছপ'জ কৰে আমি গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে এগেইনষ্টত কেছ কৰিব পাৰি। ইয়াত প্ৰভিজন আছে। We can file a case against the DC also. There is a provision. We can file a case against the SP also. We can file a case against the CEO also, circular officer. Don't be scared. Let us fight for our right. Let us jointly together, unitedly. As brothers say, all my brothers, don't have ego problem. At least for the sake of our justice, let us unite it and let us make ourselves commitment. This time we will change the government. This time we will prove ourselves. And we will not elect any yes man in our state. Yes man, yes boss culture should be abolished, should be uprooted from here, and should be thrown in the Brahmaputra and pelai dibo lagibo ei yes man culture to. Paribo na nai? Yes, energy asse te ja. Now let me. Okay, now I'm coming back to এতিয়া এইটো ৰংমেন পাইলে ইমান ধুনীয়া জাকেট লৈছে, কুকিটো ইমান ড্ৰেছ লাগে। খাচীবিলাকৰ আজি দেখা নাই, ইহঁতৰ জাকেটটো দেখা নাই। কাৰ্বি মাইকীবিলাক ইমান ধুনীয়া এইটো ড্ৰেছ লগাইছে। Now I'm coming back to UCC. UCC means Uniform Civil Code, COD code, COD, okay? Just like CRPC মানে Criminal Civil Code of Civil Code বুলি কয় আৰু IPC কলে Indian Penal Code বুলি কয়। Now UCC এইটো ইণ্ডিয়াত এটা ইমপ্লিমেণ্ট কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছে। Our UCC means there is no particular definition. It's a set of law which will be implemented throughout the India, irrespective of your caste and community. Tar mane, Karbi manu aji jiru Karbi desh pindi ase, future sador ki lagabo lagibo. Garo is here. Please raise your hand. Garo manu aisa nahi. Is there any Garo? Any Khasi? No Khasi, no Garo. Okay. খাচী আৰু গাৰোটো সদায় কি হয়, ল'ৰাটোৱে ছোৱালী ঘৰলৈ আহে। That is there since inception. That is the tradition of the marriage. বুজিলি? UCC যেতিয়া আহিব, খাচী গাৰো ল'ৰাটোৱে খাচী মাইকীকে বিয়া কৰিব। এইটো পাৰিব নেকি চেঞ্জ কৰিব? নোৱাৰিব। Not possible. মই দেউৰী মানুহ, মই জন্ম হওঁতে গাহৰি আৰু মদটো লাগিব, বগা মদটো, ৱাইন, rice beer. On the birth of any child, to perform the rituals, mukto bogamot, hastu lagibo, rice beer lagibo, gahori eta lagibo. Manu morongteo, eto rituals korunteo, amake white eto rice beer aru gahori lagibo. Ete uniform civil code aha loke I will not able to do such practice. And all our traditions, the customary laws, the rituals, the rite, everything will be uprooted by this so-called UCC. It is anti-tribal law. Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, their government strongly opposed. In fact, yesterday, I had read in the newspaper that in Kerala, they have strongly opposed and they have a passed bill that UCC cannot be implemented in Kerala state. And on the other hand, very unfortunate, the Tilinga Bozwa MLS of Assam, Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe, they are still sleeping like a sleeping donkeys. Karbi Anglong, we have MLS, 6 MLS. Dima Hasao, we have 6, how many MLS are?
5.
1. Total 5. So we have total 18 MLS are there. 18 MLS of Scheduled Tribe of Assam as legislative, they are all sleeping. They are not even saying a sentence regarding this UCC. Therefore, this time, these sleeping MLS and MPs, we will uproot them. Okay? BJP Manuli they are too poor now. Are wrong my I'm asking you old man, my senior.
We are with you.
Oh, thank you, brother. Therefore, this UCC is very dangerous to us. In Jharkhand, thousands of people are coming out. They're carrying out a procession, shouting with a placard. We don't want this UCC. UCC should not be implemented in the tribal state. Everybody is speaking, wherever tribals are there. But in Assam, there is an organization called Tribal Student Union, Karbi Student Union, Deuri Student Union, Missing Student Union, Dimasai Student Union. All the student organizations are sleeping because they are hanging glove with this ruling BJP government. And these student organizations are not in favor of tribals. During the time of election, they are very active. But today, why they are sleeping? And we must ask this question. Go home, everybody. Tell this message, convey this message. Mr. Brother Raju has said that you student leaders, you are not raising any voice on behalf of us. You have no local stand. You are not our leader. Don't come and disturb. Ito koba paribuna nai. Jur ko paribuna nai. Sound to bhale ase bola. Now, sir. Amar sara ase mun guruya hari ase. So UCC is another important law. Jetia ki hobo UCC aha loge eto basketball jabo dustbin jabo. It become meaningless piece of paper. Tribal balance block nathakibo, 6 schedule nathakibo, 6 schedule area nathakibo. সংবিধান দিছে 6 schedule amar bahut power dice. Hey power to like ami jai asu, amar identity ami preserve kori asu. Hey apna international goals indigenous day aru ami koise to preserve and protect your identity. When UCC comes, our identity will be washed away. When UCC comes, tribal people culture will be all abolished. Will you allow to do so? No. No. Will you allow? No. So therefore, every organization, Kuki ho, Garo ho, Kasi ho, Romai ho, apna loko petok, apna loke memorandum, Assam governor loko, president loko, chief minister loko, law minister loko, tribal commission loko, national commissioner loko, we strongly oppose this UCC. UCC should not be implemented in our tribal elekas. If particularly it should not be implemented in our 6 schedule elekas. Tuli apna loko always city loko. Paribo na imandu? So we must strongly oppose this because this is going to vanish and extinguish our identity and culture. Today you see in Karbialong, as brother stated in his speech, our 29 year our tribes ase. Hey, 29 tribes are jete culture program kore. It's a mosaic, iman dunia lage. Hey, that beautifulness, that wonderfulness, that amazing part will be totally abolished. So we should not allow the world indigenous day is celebrated only to preserve and protect. That has to be kept in our mind. I am today scheduled tribe because I am socially and economically backward. And Constitution has given me that scheduled tribe certificate, not the BJP government, not the Congress. It is given by the Constitution, which has been drafted by the Dr. Ambedkar. Therefore, the BJP government should not play with the scheduled tribe certificate, should not play the sentiment of our own cultures and rituals. We should not allow this because the ruling government, as they are saying that India should be a Hindu country, their aim and object they wanted to make, they are going to make that one nation, one law, one language. What it is? Then where is the secularism? Then my Karbi language, my Naka language, my Deuri language, how can I protect it? I will be also Indian. Then if I say I am an Indian in the mainstream word I am using, then I cannot write my title as a Deuri. Then tomorrow I may be right to write it. My surname will be maybe Hazarika, Bora or Sharma. This cannot be. We should not allow. International Indigenous Day is celebrated. In international UN Charter has given that it is your right, you are indigenous, therefore you are also a human being. You have your certain fundamental right. Those rights and culture must be protected. The law passed by the UN, the United Nations Charter. So that cannot be abolished and discarded or raised by ruling BJP government. We should not allow to do so. Hoba? Paribona? Paribona na? Kokai pariba? So UCC আমি strongly oppose কৰিব লাগে আৰু international indigenous day আৰু এটা কথা এটো আমাৰ atrocity act যেটা আপোনালোকে কেস ফাইল কৰে RTI কোন ইনফরমেশন যেটা নিয়ে ডিসে যেটা আপোনাক ইনসাল্ট কৰে ওসিএ যদি ইনসাল্ট কৰে কোনোবা ইএমএ যদি ইনসাল্ট কৰে তেতিয়ালে এটো লৈ পেলাই AK47 লৈ পেলাই কেস ফাইল কৰিব আমি আসুন আপোনালোকৰ I think this is enough. Thank you so much. If anybody has any query, anything, please ask me right now. Because I will be leaving soon to Guwahati. Kiba kunuba doubt, kiba bujibole kiba ase niki, kiba query ase jodi kok openly etia ami koi dim clarify kori dim. See, as a private brother, I know we have one character. We don't have guts to ask a question. But at least I, as a brother, as your younger brother, elder brother, let me show you two documents. A document. It was national meeting at the hall. Every year of daily meeting hall pertaining to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe atrocity act. Assam government hotai negative ko yat atrocity no hoy boli koy. Yat amar tribal swale hotai rape hoy ase, murder hoy ase. Kintu police etu register nokara kane daily misa hotai eta hotai koi thaki. Bahut dukhor kotha. Aru yate koise Delhi government Delhi মানে কেজৰিৱাল গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট নহয় দেই একেবাৰে মোদী চৰকাৰে কৈছে ইয়াতে লাইন মই কৈ দিছো The government of India is deeply concerned with the crime against the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe বুলি কৈছে বহুত আসামৰ নিয়মে কনসার্ন নাই নহয় আমাৰ মাটিখিনি ডেভেলপমেন্টৰ নামতো পুৰা মানে এলিনেটে কৰি আছে আমাকো ৰিফিউজি বনাই আছে so we must raise the voice and secondly this year Assam government this Singh Damoria, DCP Sabe meeting at a special meeting because GP Singh Damoria, he is the chairman of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe protection cell under this provision. They get a chairman who says that I concern who like sensitize police of police. In reality, sensitize police of police আমি নেজানো কিন্তু আমি আমাৰ স্পেশালে এটো দাবিয়ক অবগত কৰিব লাগিব আৰু secondly there is a nodal office that collects all the information regarding atrocity act our atrocity act of every scheduled tribe and scheduled caste MLAs and MPs they are the member of this committee and in that committee chief minister Mr. Assembly in Guwahati, Gaurav Gogoi can rock the parliament. Why not our 19 MLAs? Why not our 4 MPs in Delhi? We tribal have 4 MPs, you know? কোন জানে না? প্রধান লখিমপুরের এমপি আপনার লোক ইয়ার কি আছে? ফরেন্সিক আছে, 2 থাকে। হয় না? প্রধান 2 থাকে। আৰু একটা এইটো নবহৰণী একটা আছে না? কোকৰাঝাৰৰ আৰু একজন কোন আছে 4 নম্বৰ। আৰু এটা সোণোৱাল চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ ইয়েছমেন ফৰ্মাৰ চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱাল ইও আমাৰ মানে একদিনো মাতি দিয়া নাই একটু লৈ পেলাই so আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব what we need to do what I want to convey today in this program at least let us learn how to say no let us fight for our right joining together in the name of God with the help of this episode that's all thank you so much so last of my attack on Deuri Joy Kundi Joy Kundi Kadam